Right guys, so another little unboxing for you. Hi, I just got sent this by, let me just double check their name. I think it's Crafts by Little Bear. Yeah, Crafts by Little Bear have just sent me this. I've opened it just because I didn't know what it was, and I'm just covering up my address on the inside. But here we go. Just a quick little unboxing. I'm not actually sure. I think I remember that this is one of the Barry King Mauls, but I don't remember it entirely, so let's double check. Great protective packaging though, making sure nothing gets damaged whilst in transit. Yep. So my address is on there as well, so I just wanted to make sure that that wasn't viewable. First we've got what looks like a Japanese silver pen, which are very useful. This one's, I can't read Japan, for leathercraft I can't read what, yeah. There we go. Let's open this, and I think you can refill these. Made in Germany in Japanese packaging. Oh well. Yeah, you can put little refills in there, which is good. If you don't know, silver pens are used to mark chrome tan leather. This is a small piece of chrome tan leather, and I need to get that running or something, but yeah, there we go. So literally just silver pen. Really handy because that just wipes off, it never fully dries, I don't think. I'm not sure how it works, but super useful. Get rid of that. They also sent me some Haribo. Awesome. Thanks guys, much appreciated. And here is the main event. So I'm quite excited about this because Barry King Mauls, I already have one. This one, I've had it for years. I've had it for maybe 3 years now. I had to import it from the States. It's quite a heavy one though. So for someone like me that doesn't always want a very heavy mallet shaped shaped hitting thing, it's useful to have alternatives. Barry King Maul 24 ounce round. I've actually always wanted a round one, simply because they can be more ergonomic to use. Oh. Apparently I'm being an idiot and you opened it that way. Right. Very nicely. I don't know if this is wrapped by Crafts by Little Bear, or if this is the box that they're sent by the importers, by Barry. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, you can see yourself. Hi. But it just says Barry King, Sheridan, Wyoming maybe? Instead of doing that, why don't we unwrap it like a normal person? that's pretty. So this is a wrapped leather handle, like this one. However, this is 3 years of use. Let's just zoom you in there a little bit. This is 3 years of use, so this is what it will end up looking like, which I really like actually. And if you're a leather worker or you just want to use around Maul for whatever purpose, I think it really adapts to you well. So that's my current one. It's grooved. I don't know if you can make that out on camera. But it's grooved so that when you hit an object, it doesn't slide off. So if you're hitting like a pricking iron, this is a KS Blade Punch one, it can't slide, which is really useful. 24 ounce, did I say? I don't know what that is in kilos. Let me double check for you guys. That is a 680 gram mallet. No, Maul. So it's a much more sort of efficient. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm very pleased with that. Brass is all shiny, because obviously it's built with a rod down the middle. I'm not sure what that rod's, probably stainless steel, given that little nut. Oh, it's not a nut, that's probably the end of the rod. Look, it's already covered in fingerprints. So there's a rod down the centre, which goes all the way down, and then these are stacked on top. I don't know how they're so hard. I mean, it looks like probably 8mm leather stacked up there, and really nice fit in the hand. I don't know when this video is going to go live, probably next week. This is filmed on the 25th of June, is it? 25th of June? Yeah, 25th of June this is filmed, but I'm obscenely pleased with that. It's going to be in my normal rotation of tools now for smaller objects. The only issue with it really, but something that is easily resolved, is when you put it down it can roll. However, if you just put it like that, you can pick it up and use it. They're a lot more common in the States, these, as far as I'm aware. Oops, there we go. One more look at the polished brass head and the nut. Couple of washer there, and then this is really nicely machined. I think it's Delrin maybe. I'm not actually certain. If I remember, I'll put a thing here. Put a thing there, if I remember. Otherwise, just a short little unboxing, and thank you very much, Crafts by Little Bear? Yeah, Crafts by Little Bear. I love it. Thank you.